want to know how to invite friends to your village or just simply add friends in CoinMaster, well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, you can just simply open up your CoinMaster game. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created various videos regarding CoinMaster on how to use it, so make sure to watch it. So now, in order to invite your friends, you need to open up your friend list. So for that, on the top right side, you should be seeing menu right here, the symbols like that. And here you should be seeing friends, it should be right beside invite, the symbols like that. So now once I've selected friends, here you should be seeing your list of friends. And here you should be seeing invite right here, the symbols like that. And now once I've selected invite, here again, just simply invite your friends through Messenger if you have linked from Facebook, or just simply like this plus icon right here, which should open up a quick invite where you can just simply invite through messages, Facebook, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.